and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my July Essential Rewards box. So let's get started. So first thing, you obviously get your Essential Edge. It's like a little essential oil newsletter, and it's talking about convention and just, you know, a little bit about Gary, and then it talks about different things, and then you always get like a recipe in the back and different things like that. And then we'll get right into what I got. So of course I got the Orange Blossom facial wash. I had to get this so much because I still have a little bit left over of my other one, but I had to get this because my other one is coming out, running out, and it lasts, I would say, about 7 months versus 6 months. It goes a really long way. And this is the new one because it's newly formulated. Let me get it out of the box. And this is what it looks like. And it's actually like a pump. And this is the facial wash, so it's bigger than the other one. It looks bigger than the old Orange Blossom. This is the old one, and this is the one. But they're both 4 flu. They are both 4 ounces, so it's the same amount, but this time it is a pump, which is so much better because sometimes you only really need like a little small amount of it, and some of it would like I would get a little too much, and you really just need like one drop. Like seriously, it's just like really ultra concentrated. And this is for normal to oily skin, and I just like the style of it so much better. But anyways, it's newly formulated, and let's see what the box says. It's formulated with powerful yet gentle ingredients, including the fresh, energizing aroma of Young Living's oil Orange Blossom blend. This facial wash removes makeup, dirt, and oil without over drying to leave your feeling skin soft. For the best results, rinse skin thoroughly, cleansing, pat dry, and apply the Orange Blossom moisturizer. So now they also have an Orange Blossom moisturizer. I did not purchase that yet, but I will once I run out of my moisturizer, so you could use that along with that. And it's vegan. It's formulated without sulfates, parabens, synthetic dyes, and artificial ingredients. So it's so amazing. It has orange peel, lemon, kelp, sugarcane. It has rosemary, lavender. It has a bunch of different things, matricaria, balsam copaiba, and sunflower seed oil. There's just a bunch of good ingredients in it, and the bottle is recyclable. It's just so amazing, and I just love the style. It's aesthetically more cute, and I'm just so excited because everybody was going crazy over these new facial products. And it also helps with my acne a lot. I made a video, I'll link it up above. And it smells really like gentle but uplifting and orangey, and I just really like this soap a lot, and I will never buy another face wash but the Young Living's facial wash. So that is that. What else I got is their sunscreen. This is a mineral sunscreen lotion. This is the mineral sunscreen lotion, and they just made this new because in Young Living they only have SPF 10, and this is in SPF 50. They like tripled it. It is so awesome. It's water resistant for 80 minutes. It is derived of plant-based ingredients and so amazing. Let's look at the ingredients. I didn't realize this, that our sunscreens, the sunscreens that we're using, like if you're using banana boat or any of those toxic chemical ones, are ruining our reefs and our coral in the ocean. And this is approved that it is safe for our reefs and our ocean. And I'm a big supporter of eco-friendly and the animals because I'm vegan. So this is so amazing. The inactive ingredients is medium chain triglycerides, yellow wax, no beeswax, castor oil, cocoa carapate, coconut oil, tocopherol, polyglycerol, 3-rhinolate, sunflower oil, esoteric acid, helichrysum italicum, flower oil, lavender oil, myrrh oil, labadum oil, cananja oil, carrot seed oil, and frankincense oil. Protects this product from excess heat and direct sun. limit time in the sun, especially from 10 a.m. to 2 a.m. Wear long sleeves and plant. So this is so amazing. It was formulated by Gary Young, and it's 100 pure, and it has essential oils in it. I love having essential oils in all of my products, and it even says on the back of the product, reef safe. Like, so amazing, guys. Why are we wearing stuff that is ruining our planet? We need to take steps to protect our planet better, our oceans, everything. It's reef safe. Please change your sunscreens into this. And it's plant-based and it's healthy for you. Stop putting those toxic synthetic fragrances and synthetic, it's just those chemicals that they put in those products that's seeping into your skin. So if you're vegan, please purchase this. I will link my number down below, 130-91141. If you only just buy this product, please, we could save the planet one at a time, one person at a time. So it prevents sunburn with the sun protection you love, but without the ingredients as you don't. Are non-greasy, and it is non-greasy. I've tested it out at the expo. At convention, it's matte finish mineral sunscreen, and it has minerals in it, guys. Like, come on. SPF 50 is a fast-absorbing formula that avoids powerful high sun protective against UVA and UVB rays without synthetic UV blocking ingredients. And if you didn't know, like reptiles, like turtles, they need UVA and UVB lighting. So that is like a legit thing. Instead, this easy to apply lotion is made with non-nano zinc oxide and naturally derived ingredients that smooth onto the skin without leaving a white residue behind. So this is not gonna leave a white residue either, so you look like a ghost. It's formulated without avoid benzone, oxbenzone, retinol, palmate, parabens, sulfates, petrochemicals, PABA or PABA, and 1,4-dioxane, which I talk about in my Dirty App, Think Dirty App video. 1,4-dioxane is completely toxic, and I'll just say C word. Chemical absorbers, UV chemical absorbers, artificial colors, or synthetic fragrances. So, and it's protected with a cap thing, and I'll do a little video slit of me putting it on. So guys, please, please save our oceans by changing your sunscreens into organic plant-based ingredient sunscreens. When they told this at convention and they said it was reef safe, I would never even think that the stuff that we have on us is affecting our oceans, but it is. They're doing studies on it. Like, it's not just like Young Living. I heard it the other day that on the news, it was like on Fox News, that the chemical sunscreens are affecting our oceans and our reefs. So definitely go purchase this. If you purchase one item, get this. And I'm excited too because I live in Arizona, so I want to start putting sunscreen on underneath my makeup because my makeup doesn't have SPF in it. And even though I'm not like always outside, you're still getting those UV lights. And my friend who's an esthetician actually made a great point. When you're sitting in a car, you're still getting that sunlight from the windows, and like the rays are like knocking off and stuff. So I'm in Arizona too. I mean anywhere, but Arizona is really strong, so it affects your skin. So keep that in mind as well. I got the mineral sunscreen lotion and the orange blossom facial wash. So those are two new products that Young Living came out with this at convention. So those are new products. And let's see what else I got. So I got basil vitality oil. And the vitality oils are FDA approved that you can ingest them. I love basil. You can use this for cooking. I love to put a couple drops in the morning when I take a shower because it's just a very uplifting smell. So I got that, and then I got, with my order, I got a free lavender vitality oil, and again, it's FDA label that allows you to ingest it, and the lavender, like you can make lavender lemonade for the summer, which I will be doing, and just it's super supportive and calming. So I love lavender. And the last thing that I got is the Essential Beauty Dry Skin Serum. So I got the beauty serum. That is everything that I got for this month's Essential Rewards. And what's so cool about the Essential Rewards, you get points for everything that you buy that is on a PV level. So right now I have about 20 something points. So that's $20 that I've accumulated this past 3 months So that's a lot, and you could buy whatever you want with those PV points on quick order. So that's a little bit about Essential Rewards, and right now I get 10% off because I had to go off Essential Rewards for a little bit, and then it'll go up within 3 months. I think it goes up 15% and then 20% and then 25%. I'm not sure all the percentages, but I'll put a little post right here, and after a year you get like 25% off. So it's a really good thing, and it's like free stuff, and you get a free oil if you spend 100 PV a month, and to me that's super amazing. So here is the product information booklet from the Freedom Convention. So I just pulled up the mineral sunscreen here. Here is a closer look of it, and just the benefits and features that it says on here. It provides powerful chemical-free protection, non-greasy matte finish, helps prevent sunburn for all skin types including sensitive skin, reef safe, water and sweat resistant up to 80 minutes, and then all the chemicals that it doesn't have, and it's FDA approved, so we're allowed to say the Skin Cancer Foundation recommends this product as an effective broad spectrum sunscreen, and it has the skin cancer icon on it, whatever slogan, whatever it is, the stamp on it. So we are allowed to say that it's FDA approved from the Skin Cancer Foundation as a broad spectrum sunscreen. So that is really big for Young Living and super awesome. So I'm really happy about that. It's a high quality protectingness from the sun, and it's just amazing product that can really help the risk of aging skin as well. Like I said, even if you're in the sun, you're still getting those, UV rays on your face. So I'm gonna start using it every day, even if I'm not like in the sun a lot. I walk my dog, so still in the sun. The key ingredients is non-nano zinc oxide, sunflower oil, the helichrysum essential oil, lavender oil, carrot seed oil, and the frankincense oil. It's easy to apply, fast absorbing anytime you're outside. It's lightweight mineral sunscreen, and it's just so cool because it's mineral sunscreen. Like, I've never even heard of that before. It leaves you residue free with skin that's both protected and moisturized, and gives your body a treatment and protection it deserves. It expands over the counter line with a high SPF product. It's perfect for all skin types and uses naturally derived ingredients. It contains 22% of non-nano zinc oxide and is a blend of 100% pure therapeutic essential oils designed by Gary Young. It's a naturally derived chemical-free alternative to many other sunscreens on the market. And I do have 2 other sunscreen products that are organic, and they both make me like a ghost, or they make me really white, and the other one makes me really pink. So I'm really happy about this product. So let's go to the next one. That is the new product, which is the Orange Blossom Face Wash Moisturizer and the face wash. So we got the face wash right here. Hey, it helps maintain healthy looking skin, leaves your skin feeling clean and soft, removes dirt and oils from pores, it reduces oily skin and surface oils. It contains naturally cleansing essential oils, maintains skin's natural moisture barrier. Reviewed and tested by dermatologists. So this was reviewed by the dermatologist and tested. It's created with sensitive skin in mind, and it's formulated without sulfates, parabens, synthetic dyes, or artificial ingredients. It has been part of the Young Living product lineup for years, but now it's better than ever. So I think why it's so reformulated is that dermatologists reviewed and tested this plant-based cleanser, and it's formulated without wheat-derived ingredients. So if you're allergic to wheat, it doesn't have it. It's formulated with oily and sensitive skin in mind. This non-irritation cleanser works well on all skin types to remove dirt and oil from pores. Now improved ingredients, it's continued to use the Gary Young formulated essential oil blend that made members fall in love with it in the first place. So that is so awesome, and that's why it's reformulated. I just love this face wash. I'll never use a different one unless it's another Young Living ones. And the key ingredients is copaiba, andreoba, acai. That's also new. The acai is new in it, and the Orange Blossom essential oil blend. And I think the andreoba oil is new as well. So I just love the citrus oils too. Everything that I got in my Essential Rewards order. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video. I'm going to try to do these every month and show you the different products that I get, because I do tend to get different products every month. Some I get the same. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys have a good day. Namaste. The light in me honors the light in you. Bye.